Good morning once again. Continuing with our previous video on job design, we studied the factors affecting the job design, and now we are moving on to the methods of job design. This is a very important topic. The methods of job design. As you can see in the picture, there are four methods of job design: job rotation, job enlargement, job simplification, and job enrichment. Now let us see what is each of this. Job rotation. Job rotation means, what is job rotation? It simply means the shifting of an employee from one job to another without the change in the nature of the job. So there will not be any alteration in the nature of the job or in the pay of the job, but the employee is being shifted from one job to another job. Okay, so by this, the employee can actually learn different types of works. Also, it helps in avoiding the monotonous job of doing the same work again and again. Like for example, in a bank, we know in a bank, the clerk can be once kept at like once he can be given the cash duty, the other day he'll be given the administrative duty. So like that, within the same office itself and without changing the nature of the job, there is a job rotation. The employee is shifted from one job to another. It helps to motivate the employees because if they know all the jobs of the organization, it produces a sense of motivation. Also, it is helpful and beneficial for the organization. So, that is what is job rotation. Now, the second one is job simplification. Job simplification means the job is broken down into small pieces. Okay, the job is broken or divided into smaller jobs. So that is what is job simplification. One large job is broken down and divided into smaller jobs, and each employee is given a portion of the job. So with this, all the employees of the organization can be engaged in the job, and also less trained and less paid workers can also perform the job easily. So that is what is job simplification. It is another method of job design. Then the third one is job enlargement. This is the total opposite of job simplification. In job enlargement, new or additional job is added to the existing job. For an employee, additional job is added. That is, it just means that more tasks or more duties are added in a job for widening the scope of the job. For example, a college lecturer who was teaching 16 hours a week is now asked to teach for two more additional hours. So there is no change in the nature of the job. It is teaching only, but the job is being enlarged. More job is added to the existing job. That is what is job enlargement. And finally, job enrichment. Job enrichment is another method of job design. In job enrichment, it is actually providing a way of providing greater freedom to the employees. And a normal employee would not like job enlargement, but he would definitely like job enrichment. In enrichment also, more work is added. But however, along with the work, along with the responsibility, more duties is also added, more authority is given. The employees are given a greater freedom and autonomy or freedom is provided for the workers for performing the job. So it will introduce a sense of responsibility, self-control and self-esteem among the employees. Job enrichment provides opportunities for the development of the employee. The employee feels that he has greater freedom. For example, uh, an employee is given a work. Along with the work, he is given the authority of that work. That is, he is able to control the work. That is, he is given the entire planning and controlling duty of the work also. So he feels that the entire work is his own. He does not have to report it to any top manager. So in that way, when it becomes his own work, he will work harder for it. And that will motivate the employee. And that is what is job enrichment. So, the four methods of job design are job rotation, job simplification, job enlargement, and job enrichment. Now, we will move on to the difference between the job enrichment and job enlargement. This is again a very important portion and it is asked in the questions. So, kindly properly study this portion. Job enlargement and job enrichment. Job enlargement, let me remind you once again, is the process of burdening the job or increasing the job. Whereas job enrichment is, along with the increase in job, there is an increase in the authority of the employees also. They are given more duties and more responsibilities and more authority. So we'll see the differences. First one is in job enlargement, the process of increasing the scope of the job. Whereas job enrichment is the process of providing freedom to the workers for performing a job. So in job enrichment, freedom is provided and autonomy is given to the employees. Then second one, job enlargement means the horizontal loading of the job, whereas job enrichment is the vertical loading of job. Vertical loading in case of job enrichment and horizontal in case of job enlargement. Vertical means along with the work increase, the level of the employee is also increasing. That is, he is taking higher heights. Whereas in horizontal loading, at the same level itself, he is being given more work. So that will be disliked by the employees. The next one, more work at the same level of responsibility. That is what is job enlargement. Whereas in job enrichment, greater freedom and responsibility for performing the job. Then next one is it is resisted by the employees. Job enlargement is resisted by all the employees, whereas job enrichment is a motivational tool for the employees because along with the job, their standard of living or their status is also increasing. So that will never be resisted by the employees. Then it does not add, job enlargement does not add the status to one's job, whereas job enrichment, it adds the status. The employee is self-motivated, he feels a sense of responsibility and self-esteem among the employees increases. So these are the differences between job enrichment and job enlargement. I hope it is clear. This is again an important portion. So kindly study it well. Thank you very much.